So the project that we're working on are these spacers or diffusers for metered dose inhalers. So a spacer is kind of like a diffuser. You add it to the inhaler, and now you can treat patients that have respiratory ailments. The spacer, the diffuser, is going to allow them a better opportunity to get more of the medication into the lungs. Now the reason why this is important is with COVID patients, respiratory ailments are a big part of this. They may have pre-existing respiratory problems in addition to the problems that are caused by the disease. So the preference is to use these metered dose inhalers, but you have to have the spacer to use with them. And unfortunately, we found out in talking with Methodist Hospital, there's a critical shortage of these spacers. So we developed a 3D printable design that they can use to treat these patients. These are 3D printed devices. So the STL files that we use for these devices, we're going to make them freely available on the InMed website. So that's inmed.tamu.edu. People will be able to go to the site, download those STL files, and then print these spacers for their local hospitals if they find that they have a need as well. The exciting thing to me about this project is that it really came from this direct communication with the doctors and finding out that there were needs that were unanticipated that are emerging. The solutions are not that complicated, but you have to know the problem exists. And the only way you're going to know that as an engineer is if you have an open line of communication with the doctors. And we're very proud that we were able to develop a solution and that even as we speak, there are patients using these devices.